Mahakumbh Mela 2025 is taking place in Prayagraj from January 13th to February 26th. From Shahi Snan dates to history and significance, here's all you need to know. Mahakumbh Mela, one of the largest and most sacred gatherings in Hinduism, occurs once every 12 years. In 2025, millions of devotees converge in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, to participate in this auspicious event. Pilgrims have the opportunity to cleanse themselves spiritually by taking a ritual bath at the Triveni Sangam, where the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythological Saraswati rivers meet. Here's everything you need to know, from the event's dates to its rich history. Also read, Prayagraj gears up for Mahakumbh Mela. Preparations for one of the largest Hindu festivals underway. The 2025 Mahakumbh at Prayagraj is especially rare, occurring once every 144 years. This unique alignment is believed to make it an exceptionally auspicious time for prayers and rituals. Pilgrims take a holy dip in the rivers, seeking purification and moksha, liberation. Beyond its religious significance, the Kumbh Mela reflects India's rich cultural heritage, uniting millions in a grand celebration of faith, devotion, and harmony. Important bathing dates occasion: January 13th, 2025, Paush Purnima Snan; January 15th, 2025, Makar Sankranti Snan; January 29th, 2025, 2025, Mauni Amavasya Snan; February 3rd, 2025, Basant Panchami Snan; February 12th, 2025, Maghi Purnima Snan; February 26, 2025, Mahashivratri Snan. These sacred bathing rituals, or Shahi Snans, are believed to purify the soul and wash away sins, making them the spiritual highlights of the event. Mahakumbh Mela 2025 history. The origins of the Kumbh Mela trace back to Hindu mythology, specifically the legend of Samudra Manthan, or the churning of the ocean. According to ancient scriptures, this celestial event was a collaborative effort between the Devas, gods, and Asuras, demons, to retrieve Amrit, the nectar of immortality. Saints of Sri Panchayati Mahanirvani Akara, during a religious procession in Prayagraj. During the process, a kumbh, pot, filled with sacred nectar emerged. To safeguard it from the demons, Lord Vishnu, disguised as Mohini, seized the pot and fled. Along his journey, a few drops of the nectar spilt at 4 places: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik, making them holy sites for the Kumbh Mela. These 4 sites became sacred, hosting the Kumbh Mela on a rotating basis. Significance of Mahakumbh Mela Prayagraj, formerly Allahabad, holds immense spiritual significance due to its mythological roots and geography. It is home to the Triveni Sangam, the sacred confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati rivers, revered as one of Hinduism's holiest sites. The Kumbh Mela follows a 12-year cycle based on the celestial positions of the Sun, Moon, and Jupiter. Artists perform during the Chavni Pravesh by sadhus of Sri Panchayati Akhada Mahanirvani, the royal entry procession for Mahakumbh Mela. Mahakumbh Mela 2025 key rituals: Shahi Snan, royal bath; a sacred dip performed by saints, including Naga sadhus and spiritual leaders, in the holy rivers. It is believed to cleanse sins and bestow divine blessings. Sankirtan and bhajans. Devotees sing hymns, chants, and bhajans, filling the atmosphere with spiritual energy and devotion. Yoga and meditation. Pilgrims participate in yoga and meditation sessions to achieve physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Spiritual discourses. Renowned scholars and spiritual leaders deliver sermons and philosophical talks. offering insights into religion, spirituality, and life.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.